my name is Jamie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have two simple recipes I wanted to share. One is hamburger in a bowl, and the second one is our all-time favorite chicken pizzioli. Pasta, chicken, pepperonis. You can use marinara sauce. I use spaghetti sauce, and then my chicken and pizza seasoning. And then I just toss everything in the crock pot and just turn it on low and let it cook for, 5 to 7 hours. Or on high for, I guess it really depends on how big your chicken is that you're using. If you're going to use a whole chicken breast, then you might want to cook it a little longer. In this one, I just used chicken strips. But I just wanted to share these two recipes because I had hurt my back, so my lower back, I pulled a muscle, and I just didn't want to be standing over a stove and cooking. So I'm doing two simple meals, but I also wanted to get a video out to you guys this week. But next week I won't have a video because I'm just going to rest all of this week, and hopefully that following week I'll feel better and I can get a video out to you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and when you hit the bell notification button, it'll let you know every time I upload a new video. So I am making chicken pizzioli. I am going to line my crock pot with my boneless chicken strips, and then I will add in all of my sauce. I used 1 jar of spaghetti sauce. I suggest using 2. I just didn't feel like going to the store. And then the egg noodles, pour that on top and just kind of mix the sauce in with the egg noodles. And then I used pizza seasoning, but you can use whatever seasonings you would like. And then I just add in my pepperonis and just turn the crock pot on and let it go. I turned it on low and cook for 4 to 5 hours, but check it periodically to make sure see if your chicken is done, because you don't want to overcook it, because I sort of overcooked it yesterday and my chicken came out a little too dry. But 4 to 5 hours, and just check the chicken periodically. And I didn't show it, but the last 5 minutes, sprinkle cheese on top and put the lid back on and just let it melt. Now I am making cheeseburger in a bowl. I am getting my onions cut up. So I'm just dicing up an onion, and then I am going to dice up a tomato, some pickles, and lettuce. I will get all those diced up. Those are going to be the topping for the hamburger in a bowl, cheeseburger in a bowl. And the pickles I was using are bread and butter pickles. These pickles are my favorite. I can literally eat them by the jar. But these are the only pickles I buy, is the bread and butter pickles, and I get them from Walmart.
for the sauce, it was a cup of mayonnaise. I use Duke's mayonnaise. That is the only mayonnaise I will ever use. And a half a cup of ketchup. And then a fourth of a cup of mustard and a fourth of a cup of pickle relish. And then just combined everything and stir it well. I added a little bit of salt and pepper, but my battery died, so you didn't see me add the salt and pepper to it. So now I'm just going to get my hamburger meat fried up, and I'm going to add some hamburger seasoning to it and mix it in and just get it cooked up. I drained the grease off of it, and then I'm just going to get it ready for the bowl. Put some of it in the bottom of the bowl with some onions, lettuce, tomatoes, and pickles, and then shredded cheese on top with the sauce. And it was really good. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have a good Tuesday, and I will talk to you guys later. I hope you guys have a good weekend as well.